guys, it's Brittany. This is my year in review video for Pre-Calculus 2014. The first topic that we're supposed to go over is what we've learned about ourselves from math this year. And I think that the one thing that I've learned is study time makes the grade shine. Meaning that I need to study a lot more from this class than a lot of my other classes in order for me to retain the information that I do learn in class. So when it comes to tests and quizzes, I don't flat out fail. So I think that's really important, and I think that's what I've learned about myself. One thing that I won't forget from math this year has to be the unit circle. This semester it's pretty much been the backbone for a lot of the things that we've learned, like graphing polar coordinates or finding the exact values of radian measures. So the unit circle has been something that has been very crucial throughout what we've been learning this school year, specifically this semester. One topic that I think I really like this year has to be verifying identities, simply because it's just applying equations in place of other equations in order to get answers. So it's pretty simple and fair. The math is a lot simpler. So I have a verifying identities, application, explanation, including an example. Okay, so the example that I used was to verify that tan theta plus cotangent theta is equal to secant theta cosecant theta. So the first step in doing this is to pick one side that you want to work with. It makes it a lot simpler to do the math, and it's a lot quicker. Instead of jumbling to do both sides, you can just do one side and make sure it adds up to the other side. And then your second step is to apply known identities. So changing your identities to sine and cosine, and then using identities like reciprocal identities, 1 over cosine theta, or trigonometric identities. It makes it a lot simpler for you to verify that the identities match up. So I already did the problem, and what I did was I used tangent theta plus cotangent theta. I just thought it was easier to work with. And then I changed both of them to sine and cosine. So tan theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. And then cotangent is the reciprocal to tan. So I used cosine theta over sine theta. And then to add the fractions, you have to make sure that the denominator is the same. So for this side, I multiplied both sides by sine, and this side I multiplied both sides by cosine, and I got sine squared theta over cosine theta sine theta plus cosine squared theta over cosine theta sine theta, and I got this equation right here, which is a trigonometric identity, which equals to 1, and this identity is equal to a reciprocal identity. 1 over cosine theta is equal to secant theta, and then 1 over sine theta is equal to cosecant theta. So the answer would be secant theta times cosecant theta, which adds up to this. So that's it. A topic that I didn't really like this year was sequences and series. As easy as it is, I just had difficulties with it. So I have an application example for this. The example is to find the next 4 terms in the sequence, which is 9, 19, 29, 39. The first step in doing this is to find the common difference. So you subtract the first term from the second term, and as you can see, you get 10. So the common difference is 10. And then your second step is to apply the common difference to the next 4 terms in order to get the next 4 terms. So as you can see, this is it. And then your last term is going to be 79. And that's it. Thanks, guys. Have a great rest of the year.